The first scanner came into the world in 1984. Since then, the scanning technology updates very slowly. In a highly developed smart office today, people still have to use the traditional scanner, which is not user-friendly or efficient enough. We want to make a change. This is the CZUR Scanner, a redefined smart office equipment. It is fast, able to store data in the cloud, and it can easily scan books. To improve the scanning speed to less than 1.5 seconds per page, CZUR innovatively uses the CMOS scanning technology and equipped with 32-bit MIPS CPU to transfer the information easily and omit the complicated procedures of installing driver. CZUR Cloud enables automatic cloud processing and storage. To achieve the goal of scanning bounded books, CZUR is equipped with the advanced smart algorithms, which can flatten curve, remove fingerprint, purify background, and split pages automatically. In addition, with Sony HD camera, CZUR can guarantee the high quality of scanning. With embedded OCR function, CZUR can make image editable with one click. With the innovative visual presenter function, CZUR can output 1080 video at 30 frames per second. CZUR is a smart scanner based on cloud computing and IoT technology. No matter where you are, in office or at home, no matter what they are, financial invoices, business contracts, or private collection books, CZUR can always help you scan easily and efficiently.
The new photosensitive resin enhances ultra-high-speed 3D printing modeling technology, breaks through the limitations of traditional process of products and brings a new visual experience. This is the X1 Razor. The X1's collar and handle with one-button snap design, which can be closed up very easily. Using Swedish 6-layer 3-groove matrix ceramic blades, is more durable and more efficient than traditional collar heads. Hollow handle brings a new design, imitating a human finger grip, which makes users more comfortable. User can shape easily by changing the angle of wrist to fit a face with perfect adaptive angle. Different from the traditional heavy metal shaver, X1 makes user feel gentle and skin-friendly, even using winter, with very fine and antibacterial painting, and a simple rinse can remove the remains very easily. With magnetic button, X1 can be placed on any iron support to hang upside down, which keeps fast the ventilation and let the remaining water rinse air dry. If you have a 3D printer, we will provide you with the important parameters of the handle to print a handle with color and shape you like, and combine them into a special razor for your love. With unique and creative design, X1 makes you enjoy the convenience by new technology and brings more vitality and enjoy your life. X1, smart and individual.
Rotolight is a pioneering British technology company that specializes in making advanced LED lighting products for portrait photography, events and weddings, as well as leading filmmakers and directors of photography. 2 years ago, we tasked our engineers with the challenge of taking the technology from our $5,000 Titan cinematic lights and putting that into an affordable $500 price point to allow us to bring this revolutionary technology to filmmakers and photographers all around the world to forever change the way that you work with light. I'm delighted to say that our engineers achieved it, and so today on Kickstarter we're announcing the Rotolight Neo 3, the world's most advanced and brightest on-camera light ever made, and AEOS 2, the most powerful, portable workhorse light on the market. This next generation of Rotolight products we're announcing here today are the ultimate all-in-one lights, featuring the world's first high-speed sync RGB.
Introducing LaView, a universal 4G GPS tracker that offers a smart tracking solution for kids, seniors, pets, vehicles, and any other object. LaView enables real-time positioning with high precision, delivering an unparalleled all-weather barrier-free tracking solution. Other features include historical playback, geofencing, and SOS alarm. It allows you to do less, but achieve more. Ultra lightweight and waterproof, its 600 mAh battery lasts up to 15 months per charge. If you have kids, or an aging loved one becomes disoriented at times, you may want to consider utilizing LaView to track their whereabouts and find them in an emergency. Using the LaView as a GPS tool to track your loved ones by no means restricts their freedom, but allows them to live an independent life while staying connected. Strengthen the bond by always knowing the exact location of your furry friends directly on your smartphone. The LaView is compatible with any flat collar and harness. It also features a virtual fence that allows you to set a boundary for your pets to ensure their safety. If they make a sneaky escape and go beyond the fence radius, you will get notifications right away. Outdoor activities can be fun, but also dangerous without planning. A GPS tracker is the perfect companion for your adventures and can play a crucial role in the wild. With LaView, you can share your real-time location with friends or use the one-click SOS function in case of an emergency. LaView GPS can also be used to track your personal belongings, such as bags, cash, or jewelry. It allows you to pinpoint where your stolen car or missing cash is. With LaView's mini design, it can fit in the palm of your hand and let you experience incredible portability. It offers endless opportunities and fits your tracking needs wherever you are. So please support us and get your LaView now.
Introducing ALVA. ALVA is a practical, powerful and comfortable lighting solution available with white or red LEDs. It's designed to be worn on wrists and ankles, allowing you to see and be seen. Whether you're a hiker, camper, cyclist, runner or anyone looking for a better light, ALVA is designed for you. With a choice of accessories available in a range of colours, ALVA is rugged, waterproof, rechargeable, and best of all, it points the light exactly where you need it, making it perfect for awkward angles and hands-on tasks that other torches and headlamps really struggle with. ALVA can be removed from its wrist or ankle straps and fitted to our keychain mount for day-to-day tasks or our GoPro compatible mount when it gets too dark to film, making it the perfect all-round lighting solution. ALVA outputs 110 lumens of light and has a full battery life of 3 hours. While there are brighter torches available, ALVA sits on your wrist, close to the action, and is always delivering its light exactly where it's needed. Its output and beam angle ensures you'll be seen by motorists and other trail users from a safe distance. It can be quickly recharged in the field, runs on max brightness while it's plugged in, and has status LEDs to let you know when it's full. ALVA's wrist and ankle straps can be ordered individually or in our bundles to suit all lifestyles. First up, our active run and cycle duo, a white ALVA torch for your wrist and a red one for your ankle. Stay safe, be seen, and see where you're going. Then we have our full adventure bundle. Get 2 of everything, including our GoPro compatible mount, giving you what you need to light your way, whatever the circumstances. When the light fades and the cameras are packed away, fit ALVA to light your way back. Regardless of your bundle, everyone gets a keyring mount included, because having a light for day-to-day use is important too. All of ALVA's accessories are made of silicone. They're extremely hard wearing, smooth and silky to the touch, and the wrist and ankle straps are fully size adjustable thanks to their metal retaining pip. They fit just like a smartwatch strap, either on bare skin or over clothing. They can be quickly and easily removed and can be ordered in orange, navy, black or olive variants. We've set out to make ALVA a disruptor in the torch industry, offering you the combined functionality of a headlamp and the convenience of a keyring light, while maintaining comfort, power and practicality. Having such a small and powerful torch with these different mounting options will completely change the way you think about using a flashlight, and we guarantee you'll find so many extra uses beyond what we've shown here. ALVA is the last flashlight you'll ever need to buy. The design is ready, our factory partners are ready, but it's you that we need. If you like what you've seen, please back the campaign, share with your friends, and together let's illuminate the world with ALVA. Thank you.